Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll be doing a review over the SDFM X15 turbofan air duster that the good folks over there sent over to me. I've had this for about a week now and it's been absolutely incredible. I know for me at least, I was using compressed air to clean my computer, clean out the cracks in my cars, different things where I was trying to get water out and whatnot, and this has been fantastic for it. If you do not have one of these things, it is incredible. It is almost a waste of money to get one of those compressed air dust cans anymore. This is definitely the way. It's way more efficient. Let's go and get into it and see what it's got. Alright guys, so this is what the box looks like. X15 turbofan. It's 280 grams and it claims it has a 180,000 RPM brushless motor in it. It's a brushless motor regardless, so it's going to be super efficient. It's got two 3,000 milliamp hour battery banks. Batteries actually cells inside of them, so it's going to have really good battery life on it. I believe on the lowest setting it can actually last for 100 minutes, which is a really long time. Just to kind of give you what it looks like overall. So 280 grams, so not super heavy. It's pretty slim. But that is the side. You've got the back here. This is going to be your button in order to engage it. On the front here, you're going to have the actual mode setting to change it from high, medium, or low fan speed. On the bottom here, you're going to have the port where you're going to actually charge via Type-C, along with the battery indicator level. As far as charging goes, they actually include a brick as well, and this does support fast charging. You cannot use it while it's charging, but it does support fast charging. Here's your brick. It's going to be a USB Type-A brick here. It feels pretty good quality. You've got a cable here. It's probably, I don't know, 1.5 feet long or so. USB Type-A, this is what's going to plug into the brick, and then you've got your USB Type-C that's going to plug into the actual device itself. They also include this really nice carrying pouch here. It's going to have this really nice soft material to it, almost microfiber. Inside of it includes a little kit here with all kinds of little detailing brushes you can use to like stir up, agitate dust. Like if you're detailing, for example, you can use one of these soft brushes to kind of agitate the dirt a little bit whenever you're blowing this out. Helps with compressed air to be able to blow stuff out like this. So it's really nice that they include that. I haven't seen that very often with electric air dusters, but this one includes a bunch of different brushes. Definitely a plus for me. As far as the nozzles go, so the way you actually change it, you twist it counterclockwise off the front. It comes installed with this more blunt cone, and then it also includes two more attachments as well. So you've got this one here that's going to have the tip part. This is what you can use to like inflate, like an inflatable of some sort. So it's got that style nozzle. Whoop, if I don't drop it. And then you've got the other style cone here, which is a little bit more than the one that was pre-installed. So you've got, it's just a little bit more, it's going to focus the air a little bit more. But to install it on the front here, you want to make sure you're looking at the front of it. There's only one place you can install it. You cannot install on the back. It's just going to install on the front. You put it on there, you're going to kind of line it up until it clicks in, and then you just twist it clockwise. And that is actually, or I'm sorry, counterclockwise, and that is how you actually get it installed in there. It's going to lock in place. To turn it on, you're going to press and hold the button on the back there, and it's going to light up telling you that it is on the fastest mode. You press it again, it's going to go to the medium mode, and then press it again, and it's on the low mode. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to put it on the highest setting. To actually engage the highest setting, you're going to have to press and hold this button, and I'll give you a test. It almost takes your breath away with how much air it's blowing out. I mean, this is an incredible amount of air. Let me see if I can, this manual here is and that is blowing that pretty hard. I mean, this is basically an air dryer, or like some sort of leaf blower on absolute steroids. It is incredible. If you guys are looking for a great high quality electric air duster, it's going to save you a ton of money not having to buy those compressed air cans. This is definitely the way to go with. You've got basically all the features you would need with one of those, but you have way better battery life. It's way more efficient. You've got all these extra features with it. You can do all kinds of extra things with it, including being able to inflate like your balloons or whatnot, or I'm sorry, like if you're going to the beach somewhere and you want to inflate one of your tubes, you can inflate it with one of these. You cannot do that with compressed air. So if you guys are looking for a great high quality electric air duster, I would highly recommend you guys checking this X15 out from SDFM. It's been a great product for me and I would highly recommend it.